Hello students, welcome back to Bridge course. In the previous video, we were discussing about important relations concerned to differentiation. In this class, let us see one more important branch concerned to mathematics, that is we are calling integration. Integration, this is lecture number 6. Integration. ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಏಕೀಕರಣ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸಮಯ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಏಕೀಕರಣ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ನಾವು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏಕೀಕರಣನ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸಮಯದ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ there are lot of standard formulas are there. Those standard formulas already they are proved. So we are going to mention only the standard formulas, some standard formulas, and we need to solve some basic problems concerned to those standard formulas. Just I will mention the standard formulas, no need to prove those formulas because this section integration you will be learn in second class. It is very impossible to take all the numericals and all the standard formulas along their proofs. Just we need to solve only what is needed for physics, right? Now in this section, let us say standard formulas for integration. Standard formula. Standard formula of integration. Standard formula of integration. Students, the first formula is actually integration. Integration symbol is like this. This we are calling integration. The symbol is what? Integration. First formula is integration of dx. What symbol is integration? Integration of dx equal to x. This one standard formula. It is proved already. Now it is no need to prove. Just we need only the formulas. Integration of dx equal to x. Similarly, second formula is integration of x raised to n into dx. Integration of x raised to n into dx. This is integration of x raised to n into dx equal to x raised to n plus 1 whole divided by n plus 1. This is second standard formula that is needed for physics. And third one is integration of sine of x into dx. Sine of x into dx equal to minus cos x. Integration of sine of x into dx equal to minus cos x. Fourth standard formula is integration of cos of x into dx equal to sin x. This is fourth standard numerical. Standard formula. Integration of dx equal to x. Integration of x raised to n into dx equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Second formula. Third one is integration of sin x into dx equal to minus cos x. Integration of cos x into dx equal to sin x. This is the fourth standard formula. And fifth one is, shall I say fifth one? Integration of sec square x into dx. Integration of sec square x into dx equal to tan x. equal to tan x. This is one standard formula. Integration of sec square x into dx equal to tan x. Now let us see the one more standard numerical that is very important here, that we are calling integration of 1 by x into dx. Integration of 1 by x into dx. Integration of 1 by x into dx equal to log to the base e of x. Alright. So here initially I said integration is reverse process of differentiation. In differentiation, d by dx of sin x equal to cos x. d by dx of sin x equal to cos x. It is the integration of sin x into dx equal to minus cos x. Ali plus idra ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus. ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ d by dx of cos x into minus sin x. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗದ d by integration of cos x into dx equal to sin x ಅದ. Differentiation ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಂಗದ ರೀ? What is the differentiation? d by dx of log to the base e of x equal to 1 by x. d by dx of log to the base e of x equal to 1 by x. But here the integration of 1 by x into dx equal to log to the base e of x. Reverse process, right? Let us see few standard formulas. See here. One more I will take. Integration of sin x into dx from a to b. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ integration of sin x into dx minus cos x ಅದ. Integration of sin x into dx from a to b. What is a? A we are calling lower limit. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ lower limit ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. b is called upper limit. ನಾವು b ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ upper limit ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ integration of sin x into dx into cos x into this is what minus cos x from where to where? From lower limit to upper limit. From lower limit to upper limit. Upper limit first put, next lower limit. How to read this? See here. Shall I read this? See here. Minus of cos b minus of how much? Cos of a. Minus into minus plus ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಇದನ್ನ? Minus cos b plus cos a. Minus cos b plus cos a. Minus into minus plus ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು? Integration of sin x into dx from where to where? From a to b. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು? Minus cos b plus cos a. Remember, it is important. Right? तो डायरेक्ट ने बरीತೀನಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ integration of sin x into dx from a to b. What formula? Minus cos b plus cos a. No need of this. Right? Similarly, one more standard formula here. Integration of cos x into dx from where to where? From a to b. Right? This again shall I solve? I will solve first, then I will run directly. Integration of cos x into dx into sin x into ಮೊದಲು sin x ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. How to write this? Sin x from where to where? From a to b. From a to b. a ಅಂದ್ರೆ lower limit, b ಅಂದ್ರೆ upper limit ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಿ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ? Sin of b minus sin of a. Right? Now directly integration of sin x into dx from a to b formula you know sin b minus sin a. Now direct करेंगे. See here, 8 1. from A to B equal to sine of B minus sine of A. This is proved already. No need to prove all these formulas. See students, these are important formulas we need for physics. On these formulas, let us solve some problems. Here some formulas are mentioned. What are the formulas? Integration of dx equal to x. Integration of x raised to n into dx equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Integration of sin x into dx equal to minus cos x. Integration of cos x into dx equal to sin x. Integration of x square x into dx equal to tan x. Integration of 1 by x into dx equal to log plus e of x. Integration of sin x into dx from a to b minus cos t plus cos t, right? Integration of cos x into dx from a to b sin b minus sin a, right? See here. By noting all these formulas, we will go for directly some basics numericals which is required for integration. First formula, first numerical I will take. Integrate x square with respect to x. Integrate x square with respect to x. X square na ekikaranna madri anta adra meaning ಏನು x square term na ekikaranna madri ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ x square term ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ integration of x square into dx ಹೌದ್ರಿ integration of x square into dx ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು integration term ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ into dx ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ integration of x raised to n into dx. Integration of x raised to n into dx equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. N plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Integration of x raised to n into dx. See how to write this? X raised to n plus 1. 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. What is integration for this? X cube divided by how much? 3. I mean directly shall I write? Integration of x square into dx equal to x cube divided by 3. This is the answer. First numerical. Alright. What form this is? Integration of x raised to n into dx equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Number E formula, second formula. Okay? Inta ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. Shall we see second one? Integrate x raised to 6 with respect to x. With respect to x, right? With respect to x. X cube ಅದ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಿ ಮೊದಲ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ integration of x raised to 6 into dx. ಹೌದ್ರಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅದ integration of x raised to n into dx. Integration of x raised to n into dx. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಇದನ್ನ? This is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Look at this, right? What if I solve that? Integration of x raised to n into dx equal to x raised to 7 divided by how much? 7. This is the answer for it. Answer ಕರಿಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು ಬಳಸಬಹುದು ಇವೆರಡು ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ನ ಬಳಸಬಹುದು. Now let us take few examples concerned to integration. See here students. Shall we see? Numerical number 3 we will see. See here. Integrate x square plus 1 by x. Integrate x square plus 1 by x with respect to 2x. x square plus 1 by x ಅನ್ನು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅದರಿ? x square plus 1 by x ಅದ. x square plus 1 by x. Shall I keep this? Integration of x square plus 1 by x into dx. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? ಈ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು dx ನ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. You can write separately here. How to write? See here. Integration of x square dx multiply inside dx, right? Plus integration of 1 by x into dx. Understood this step? How to write? Just multiply integration to this term and dx also to the same term. Look at me here. What formula it is? Integration of x raised to n into dx. Integration of x raised to n into dx. How to write? X raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Right? Plus integration of 1 by x into dx. Integration of 1 by x into dx equal to log to the base e of x. Log to the base e of x equal to what formula? X cubed divided by 3 plus log to the base e of x. What is meaning of this? Integration of x square plus 1 by x into dx equal to x cubed divided by 3 plus log to the base e of x. Right? This is the answer for it. ಅದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ನಾವು ಹಂಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Look at it. One more example you can see. So many examples you can see. Shall I take one more example? Look at my students here. How to write numericals? Fourth one you can see. See, fourth one. Integrate 2x square plus 2x plus 3 with respect to x. With respect to x. Equation integration ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಈ equation ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ? ಏಕೀಕರಣ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. How to write this? Look at it. How to write? Integration of 2x square plus 2x plus 3 into how much? dx. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? Equation integration ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ, dx ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. Now integrate integration sign dx multiply every term. What we will get? Look at me. See here clearly what happens here? Integration of 2x square into dx plus integration of 2x into dx plus integration of 3 into dx. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ dx ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮಿಗೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I multiply integration to all the terms along with dx. Now see here. In this equation, 2 or here 2 is constant, here 2 is constant and 3 is constant. Wherever constants are there, during integration or differentiation, bring them outside. Shall I take this? 2 is constant here. Shall I write one more step here? X square into dx. 2 constant तो और कर दी ना. अंगेलियन constant अगर 2 constant अगर x into dx, right? Plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 constant ಅದ, integration Right or wrong? Right, students? Now, look at me. To keep up integration of x raised to n into dx. Integration of x raised to n into dx equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by plus 1. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅದ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಿ ಇದನ್ನ x raised to 2 plus 1 whole divided by 2 plus 1, right? 2 plus 1 plus 2, anything is there should be 1. x raised to n into dx ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಇದನ್ನ x raised to 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, right? Plus 3 keep it up same. Integration of dx. Integration of dx equal to x. Integration of dx equal to x value. Now shall I solve this? This equal to 2 into x cube divided by 3 plus 2 into x square divided by 2 plus how much? 3x. Again 2 to get cancelled. What is remaining then? 2x cube divided by 3 plus x square plus how much? 3x. This is the value of this. Integration of this value is how much? This is, right? It may be some difficult. Let us solve one more problem like this. The series problem, I will come back. Shall we see one more numerical? Integrate x cube plus 2x plus 4. X cube plus 2x plus 4 with respective to x. With respective to x. Now students, shall I solve? How to solve this? Integration of x cube plus 2x plus 4 into dx, right? Integration ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. What is the first step? You should multiply integration and dx to every time. How this is? How to do this? See here. Integration of x cube into dx, right? Plus integration of 2x into dx plus integration of 4 into dx, right? There are no constant term. Keep it up same. Shall I take one more step? Integration of x cube into dx. Plus here constant term 2 is there. 2 into x into dx, right? Here what constant term? 4 is the constant. Like this. Right down. Now sir, what form this is? X raised to n into dx. X raised to n into dx. Shall I take here? How to solve? This equal to x raised to n into dx. X raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, right? Plus 2 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಂದಿರ್ತದ. Integration of x raised to n into dx. X raised to 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, right? Plus 4 integration of dx. Integration of dx is x, right? What form this will then? X fourth divided by 4 plus 2x square divided by 2. 2x square divided by 2 plus how much? 4x. Again 2 to get cancelled. What is remaining then? X fourth divided by 4 plus x square plus how much? 4x. This is the answer. ಅದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. ಇದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಇದಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ಇಂಥ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್. Integrate cos of x from 0 to 5 by 2 or 5. Can take 5 no matter. Not 0. Shall I take? This is 5 or 5 no matter. Right? Students. What form this is? Integration of cos x into dx. Look at this formula. See here, shall I write? How to write this? Integration of cos x. What this is? Integrate. I write like this. Integrate. Integrate. Integrate cos of x from 0 to 5. 0 to 5. Right. How to write this? Integration of cos x 0 to 5 into how much? Dx. Look at this formula. Integration of cos x into dx from a to b equal to this formula. Sin b minus sin a. Directly shall I write? This is how much? Sin of, this is a, this is how much? A ಆಗಿರ್ತದ, ಇದು b ಆಗಿರ್ತದ. Sin b minus sin a, sin 5, right? Minus of sin 0, right? Better. Are you following this? Shall I take once again? Look at it. What I did? From a to b I taken. A to b. A replaced by how much? A replaced by 0. B replaced by. Right? Integration of cos x into dx equal to a to b. How to write? Sin b minus sin a. Sin of b. Sin of b equal to 5 minus. Sin of a equal to 0. Right? Then sin 180, how much sin 180? Sin 180 is 0 minus sin is 0, that is also 0. Right? Then what is total answer? 0. What is meaning of this? Integration from 0 to 5 cos of x into dx equal to 0. Sin 5 mean 180, sin 180 degree 0. Sin 0, how much? That is also 0. 0 minus 0, 0. One more example shall I take? Look at me here. Shall I take one more example? Integrate cos of x into dx from 0 to 5 by 2. 0 to 5 by 2. See here students, shall I write? With respect to x. With respect to x. With respect to x. ಇದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಏಕೀಕರಣ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. Here like this 0 to 5 by 2 integration cos of x into dx. What is formula? The integration of cos x into dx equal to sin b minus sin k other. Sin b minus sin k other. Right hand ಬರ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ 0 ಅದ, b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ 5 by 2 ಅದ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ cos x into dx from a to b sin b minus sin a formula a ಅಂದರೆ speed 0 b ಅಂದರೆ 5/2 ಅದ equal sin of 0 sin b mean 5/2 b mean 5/2 right sin a equal to 0 5/2 sin 5/2 180/2 90 sin 90 sin 90 is 1 minus sin 0 that is 0 then what you got directly integration of 0 to 5/2 cos x into dx equal to 1. It's the integration. Like this, we can solve lot of the problems. Just we need basis. So further class we will see in the next video. Thank you.